Hey, my name's Kate and welcome back to Cole Knopf Racing. Tonight, we're at Williams Grove Speedway, so stay tuned. Cole's going out for heat in the motor. Lined up for time top lap. Pushing Cole out to get lined up for his heat race. Going green. Okay, so they just called a caution. I don't even know how far we were into the heat race. Cole was looking really good. We started 7th, we maintained, we got a good run. I'm gonna flip the camera because this rain is crazy. Okay, so earlier Cole pulled a 30 pill. That put him in the third group, which is the second heat set for tonight. He qualified, he did good. He started 7th in the heat race, and right now we're in a holding pattern. He was in 7th, he was going strong, he had a good start, and so right now we're just waiting for them to figure out what's happening with the track. So stay tuned. Well, they canceled it, that's all.
That's all, folks.